Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to those who are watching my discussion video presentation. I'm Midshipman or Engine Cadet Lugatok RLG from PIMSAT Colleges. Second year from Alba section. And for today's video, we're gonna talk about the application of UNCLOS to the maritime claims of claimants to the South China Sea. So, first, the United Nations Convention on the Law of at the Sea, which is UNCLOS, plays a crucial role in the South China Sea dispute, where a multiple nation, including China, the Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei, and Taiwan, claim overlapping maritime territories. UNCLOS provides the legal framework to determine the territorial waters, exclusive economic zone, which is EAZ, and continental shelf rights, but its application has been contested due to differing interpretations and historical claims. Application of UNCLOS South China Sea Maritime Claims. First, territorial seas and under UNCLOS. UNCLOS grants a coastal state sovereign rights over 12 nautical miles territorial sea and 200 200 nautical miles 200 nautical miles AEZ from their baselines. Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei, and Indonesia base their claims on UNCLOS provisions defining their exclusive economic zone, or EAZ, from their mainland and islands. Second is China 9-line. China asserts historical rights over nearly 90% of the South China Sea using their 9-line, a claim not recognized by UNCLOS. In 2016, the Permanent Court of Arbitration, which is PCA, ruled that China's claims has no legal basis under UNCLOS, invalidating its historical rights over maritime zones beyond its exclusive economic zone, which is EEZ. Next is attribution and legal ruling on Philippines and China. The Philippines filed a case under UNCLOS against China, arguing that Chinese activities such as constructing artificial islands and blocking Filipino fishermen violated UNCLOS. The tribunal ruled claims based on historical rights were inconsistent with UNCLOS. Certain and maritime features occupied by China were low elevation and those did not generate AAC, which is exclusive economic zone. Chinese land reclamation activities cause an environmental damage, violating UNCLOS environmental protection provisions. China reject the ruling, though it remains legally binding under what UNCLOS. Next is Vietnam, Malaysia, and Brunei exclusive economic zone claims. Vietnam claims the Paracel and Spratly Islands, asserting that they fall within its exclusive economic zone, which is easy and under UNCLOS. Malaysia and Brunei claim portions of the South China Sea that fall within their continental shelves and EEZ. In 2019, in 2019, Malaysia submitted an extended continental shelf claim to the UN, prompting objections from China. Is freedom of navigation under UNCLOS. The US on under nation conduct freedom of navigation operation to challenge China excessive maritime claims, emphasizing UNCLOS base rights of innocent passage. While the US has not ratified UNCLOS, what they call this, it adheres to its principles in asserting international navigation rights. Challenges in UNCLOS implementation, China rejection of arbitration despite UNCLOS mechanism. China refused to comply with the ruling with with the 2016 ruling militarization of dispute feature. China and other claimants have built artificial islands and deploy military assets, complicating peaceful resolution. So, weak enforcement mechanism. UNCLOS lacks direct enforcement power, relying on diplomacy and international pressure. And that is all of my discussion, and I hope you understand my video discussion presentation. Goodbye.